Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, hey, I'm Shake. So guys, I haven't vlogged like probably about 2 or so weeks now. I don't remember, but yeah, I've been sick from about Monday. I planned to do a week in my life, but flu lit me down from Monday. Well, I started to feel it from Sunday, and then I went to work on Monday. I couldn't go to work on Tuesday or Wednesday. I forced to go yesterday, and I don't feel too bad today, but yeah, I'm back home. It was raining, so I wanted to actually video when I actually went to collect my package, but I didn't because it was raining. So we're back home. I bought some stuff for my birthday. So if you guys don't know, my birthday is next week Saturday, and I wanted to buy some stuff, so I bought some stuff for my birthday. So we're gonna do the unboxing for the first part of the vlog. Yeah. All right, so first things first, think about probably about 2 pieces of clothing or something there about, I don't remember. And basically the things I bought for my birthday was pretty much just a blouse. So let me show you guys that first. I bought a blouse to wear on my birthday because I have the pants already, so I just decided to buy the top, and it looks big. But yeah, it's purple and yellow, and I like the idea that it's purple and yellow. So these have yellow people. Yeah, look at it. It's like it kind of feels like a little jersey material, kind of. Yeah, I'm not turning 24 people, but past 24 like a long time. But yeah, that is the first item. And then we have so fall is coming up. Well, fall is basically here, but for me, I like to do fall like in October, because after my birthday done, I will do it fall. So yeah, fall season for me, which is in October, is coming up. So I bought myself a t-shirt, and it says "Just a girl who loves fall." So yeah, and it has some cute little things on it. Isn't that so cute? So I'm ready for fall, people. Anyway, so yeah, I think those are the only 2 pieces of clothing basically. And then I bought another bra to try. The other one fits, so I tried another one, a different brand and everything, and it looks small. Oh, not bad, but not as sturdy as I expected. It's not sturdy at all. But yeah, that's that. And then I also got myself some like things for work. So I got some stars for work. Focus, let me show you the stars. So these are the stars, and they're gonna be split between me and Shan. Get 2 of these. So this set, well, I don't know if I can see them, but yeah, one of them is going to be for me, one is going to be for my sister, or we could actually split them, like roll off some for each. Yeah. Also for school, I got a geometry set, purple. I actually tried buying one here, however when I bought it, it's like the things inside of it, it wasn't a geometry set per se. It was actually a pencil case, but it came with a ruler and pencils and rubber. But this one comes with the thing in it that I need. So I have one in it. I had a purple one, but I wanted to have like the set, so that's why I bought this one still. So it comes with the ruler, the protractor, the compass, everything. Yeah, so yeah. So guys, for those who are at school and when you keep on say when you can't afford whatever I know someone a shop on SHEIN, or the parent shop on SHEIN, get the cheap things, because I think this was probably about either $3 or probably $1 something, I don't remember, but it wasn't expensive. Okay, all right, so I also got some jewelry because I want to step up my jewelry game. the sun is setting, so the lighting is throwing off and I'm sweating because we literally just come home and just threw down my bag and just start the vlog. All right, so I bought some jewelry. I wanted to try out some of the jewelries because pretty much I don't know, I like necklaces and so on, but and bracelets and so on, but the bracelets I make aren't the ones that aren't the, not showing them in my talk, aren't like these kinds, you know, like the mirror. Yeah, so I wanted to get some of these, so I got some well, a lot of jewelry. I think one of the sets I bought was like 13 different necklaces in it, so we're gonna go through those. It seems like a lot, but yeah, I pretty much don't wear the real thing, so they're gonna change. So all of the necklaces that I have, after a while they change. Don't care. Anyways, so this is one of the first ones. It is so cute. This is a black, like it has black pendants. So yeah, that's one. And it came with, I think it came with a bracelet. Not sure if it's a bracelet. When I hear my sound, like my sound congested. I hate the sound of how I sound. But oh, it's a necklace. So it's a 3-piece necklace. I love this. So it comes with 3 pieces, but it actually, this part cannot be separated, but this part is separated. I love this. Love this. I like this. All right, first one, like that, like that. I want to know which one is the necklace because I want to open the necklace first and then I'm going to open the bracelets after. So what I did, I got some gold and I also got some silver. Sir, I think these are the gold necklaces. This is crazy. All right, so this is a little pearl one. It's so cutesy. Do you like? Do you like? Yeah, do you like? Yeah, I like. All right, so the next one is a little butterfly. Come on, come on. So yes, a little butterfly. Maybe probably have to go zoom in so you can't see it. All right, because the sun is setting, so yeah, there's a little butterfly. Okay, yeah, man, the necklace and I'm gonna work out. Look like it's gonna last. It's good. All right, let's see if I can do this. All right, so how this works, it seems as if you place the heart inside the heart, and then it's supposed to look something like this or something like that. So it have a little heart thing here. I don't know if you guys are seeing. Yeah, you're seeing that. So something like that. But I don't know. Is this gonna stay on my neck now? I don't know, but it's cute. This is a star one, a little star. You guys are seeing that. Oops. There's a little star. You guys see that one? Yeah. And again, so it has some little circle thingies, and then the little part down here. Yeah, I like. Yeah, there's still more necklaces to go. I'm gonna start on this silver necklace yet. Did I get what I said? And this was like probably about $3 or $4. Let's say $4. Well, I'm gonna find the price and like put the amount that I pay for the, sorry, for the 12 of them on the screen. And bear in mind is when I buy these, I'm not buying these to silver. These are actually mine. But when I buy these in Jamaica, and they're not real. Like when I buy them in Jamaica, I know it's in real, and I pay like $12,000, $1,200 for like one, you know. So I think it profits me more if I just buy them on SHEIN, because none of them never serve anyways. So might as well I buy it on SHEIN. Oh, this is so cute. It's butterfly. So cutesy. So demure. I'm really gonna enjoy my little necklaces. This little one. This is the I think this is like a smaller one to the big one that I showed you guys. Yeah, the beads are kind of smaller, but they're cute. I like them. I don't know, these are so cute. And I think they had different options, like the pendants and something. They had different options. This is the one I chose, so I could link it down below if you guys want it, so you guys can probably buy it, you know. Yeah, this is a moon and a star. So pretty. Oh no, nah, focus. Yeah, there you go. So yeah, it's a moon and a star. This is cute. Oh, I love this pendant. So this is also a 2-in-1. It comes with a, I don't know how to explain this, like, I see that up close. Yeah, and then they have the little butterfly pendants. Yeah, I think I got double. I know I got one like this already, but it's to find it. Oh yeah, so it's pretty much the same. So I can probably give my sister one. I don't know, my sister really like them necklace here, so I don't know. My sister don't really wear like the kind of necklace here because them kind of scratch her neck. So yeah. All right, so now for the silver necklaces. I think this is a pack of, I'll try to look if it's right funny. No, didn't. So yeah. All right, guys, and I've never actually owned some like the cute silver necklaces, because we normally just find cute gold ones. I hardly find cute silver ones, and I love silver. If you guys can see, this week I wore silver with my blue. Yeah, so it was blue, white and black, and I wore silver. So yeah, I like these bags that it came in. It came in the little mini Ziploc bags. I can use those for like bracelets or stuff. Ooh, I got a cross. So first one is a cute little cross pendant, and I need to get one. I need to get back one in gold because my gold one mashed up, so I need to get back one in gold. Ooh, this is pretty guys. I'm gonna be wearing necklaces like every day, every day. You guys seen that? All right, so that's a silver heart, like double hearted thing. I don't know, silver to me looks so clean, so pretty, like so pretty. I love this. All right, so this is a butterfly pendant one, shiny and all. So yeah. All right, so the next one I have is this cute, it's kind of simple, it's just like one pearl thing. Yeah, just a simple silver thing. Oh, this is cute. It's a simple little heart one, and I like the this kind of thing. If you not see it, yeah, it's not like the chain one. I'm sorry, I don't like nothing named snake or anything like that. I don't do snakes, sorry. All right, so all right, so this is a like butterflies. It has a mini butterfly and a big butterfly on it, double chained. Cute. All right, this is a, ooh, this is a bow. It's a cute little bow. Right, yeah. And then, all right, so this is a, it's kind of like a choker looking kind of thing. I wonder if it can fit, because it looks small, but yeah, but it can't extend, so yeah. If I need to turn it now, bracelet. So all right, so the gold came with a boat. What am I doing? Check. But yeah, so the other one came in like a little gift thing. This is like one of my gifts for myself for my birthday. Yeah, so let's look at it. It's so cute. It's a silver necklace. So what I wanted was to buy a, so you guys know I have like the chain with the shake on it and it's gold, so I bought myself a silver. It's like when I want to wear silver I can actually have my name. So I bought a shake and solar. So yeah, I love this, guys. Look at it. Look at it. You guys are not really seeing the little shiny because it has bling on it, but you don't really see it from this. You're not seeing the beauty on that. It's like, sorry. It's so cute. Yeah, so the first time I actually tried doing one of these customization things, it was doing it for my aunt, and like, ooh, girl, come and look at my necklaces.
Can't wait no longer. People, me a long time.
But I said you could come.
Long time, she locked me out.
People, me tell her so she can't come in a long time. Anyway, alright, so the first bracelet, Shanique is disturbing the video. I don't know what's wrong with her. So the first bracelet, we have some butterflies. Let's go. Alright, so next one we have this little one right here. So that's the second one. We have one we actually match the one of the necklace that I get. And then we have a none. I never buy no. I'm the things that I buy. Alright, so these are the bow one. We have another, we call this pearl. We have a
the art one that matches.
Go away. We have a butterfly. Me I tell her I'm gonna like it, but yeah, I like this charm one. This is gonna be my favorite. And then we have another, oh, this is like a double one. I never seen these before, but yeah, a double one. So yeah. Alright, so now for the silver. And I think it's probably almost the same for the silver. So we have the butterflies, have the silvers. So they're pretty much basically the same as the gold. Only thing that they're silver. So, yeah, pretty much. Alright, so I think that's the end of my haul.
God, you call me by my name. The love you give me, I just can't deny.